This is the best whoop that you can get right now for $100. It's sold out at the moment, but hopefully later on they will restock. It's the Beta85 Pro 2 brushless whoop, or on the website it's referred to as the Meteor 85. I have a link below, and if you purchase anything from there, it helps support the channel. First, I have to apologize to BetaFPV. It's taken me a while to start doing reviews. I have a review for this coming up. This is just me enjoying it on some spare time. My goggles were stuck in China and they just came back. It's been like 6 months. I'm gonna get the reviews up so you'll be able to see those if you subscribe. I think this is just the perfect whoop for a beginner. It has nice protection, and like I said, I'll go deeper into it in a review, but I'm really just enjoying this. This is the first whoop that I've really enjoyed flying because it has, like, it's peppy, it can handle, it's fun to fly. Anyways, just check this out, enjoy the flight. Later on you'll see some of it night flying too, and if you're interested in it, hopefully it'll show up on the BetaFPV website soon, or you can check out something else that they have. Have you flown this, or have you flown another 85mm whoop that you would suggest more than this as someone's first bind and fly? Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!